Hello everyone, good morning once again. We are I'm here to give us updates on some pairs that's of interest for we to trade cautiously and profitably. It's more of giving data-based information, so it's not a financial advice, but rather just like an educational program. So you have ideas what I'm looking at, so you can also follow uh, have your own analysis in the right direction. So here we have Euro AUD making an uptrend. It has been in an uptrend for almost a year, more than a year now. And we have not seen any fundamental change coming very soon. So we expect since it came down again to this trend line that have held up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now the sixth time it will also hold. And so that is why when we go down to the 4 hour, we, we have this trade. This have tried to move up first and then it returned back to this free point. So to gather some liquidity, and we expect it to push forward up to the top of this channel. That's what the technical says. So that's what we are counting on to happen. So it's a very good trade to enter, and so a very good one, and I hope it will play out so fast this week or possibly within the early days of next week. Now we have another one. It's good to examine this from the weekly so we can have a better perspective of things. This is Euro Swiss francs. You can see the weekly has been downtrending for so long. Uh, for almost 4 years, having a downtrend. So on the daily now, we look for a trade opportunity. On the daily, it's also showing signs of downtrend. This is the trend line. You can cut across from the daily. This other one is the weekly. So both of them are in a downtrend. So we also expect the downtrend to continue. So here now on the 4 hours where we used to enter our trade. So you can see there was a gap here. So the gap was filled by this up move back to the trend line. And so here we have formed something like a double top. So we expect this kind of drop, just the same we dropped here down to this place. So also it will drop again back down to at least this level from where it got the energy to move forward. So that's a good one to trade if you are interested. So you can take a look, and I believe you can take up to a week or so to play out, depending on. So just have your stop loss somewhere where you feel comfortable above this line, and then you target this place. Now here is this one we tried to short it here before, but it did not hold. I thought this will hold, but it was too early. So now it rose to the almost to 72 level Fibonacci. Now it came to this resistance, very important resistance from where it came down. So for the guys that trade SMC, I think it should gather some energy from here and also move down. Why? Because the general trend, even the weekly, but I don't want to waste time on the weekly because the charts, if you check this trend, it has been trending down for 1 year now, in a year or so. So, and this is the first or second time it broke this line, but even the first time it came down. So this second time also, it will come down, but after coming down to this point, I may not guarantee it will keep going downward, but anything is possible because if you check this side, you can still see there are still some lows. for you to claim, at least up to this level. But let's not count on it. We can just target what we are sure of, and just target these areas. Then just target this area down back to this place where it came out from. So if you can check this alphabet 1, 2. So if you get to this point and take your profit, it's still very nice. So instead of to think that it will continue to break this place and go there, unless there is a fundamental reason to do so, I don't see why you should go that far right now. Maybe in few weeks towards December, a new data or information will come out to help make that decision. But right now, we target this place. And also, you have to know this is almost a year of downward movement, so it may be time for you to consider returning to the highs, possibly from January. So target here, and we'll watch out what the market has to offer from January, because we just have like 3 weeks of trading, 3 weeks of trading left in this year. So after that, there's nothing else. But 3 weeks or 4 weeks. December is not a trading day. Period. Now we have the last pair, which is this pair. Immediately I saw this blue flag forming. I quickly changed my perspective on it, and I went to my Twitter to inform people about it. So I closed the trade immediately. And I think on break even, I didn't make a loss because I was monitoring it actively. So I expect this to climb to this level. At least it should climb to this level. It should climb to this level, but nobody knows. So from after that, then we can start looking for another shot, or if it will continue climbing, we will know. So it's already above this major trend line, so it should go up. And if you check my Twitter here, you will see the trade. I called it here. This is it. Call the trade here, and someone, so just like I called it. So sometimes if I have something to inform, I feel like I come there, I don't have time to make videos. I will just post it on Twitter. So it's also good to follow me on Twitter in case the trade we analyze change. You can easily get an update on what to do. This is in the watch Open Watch. So follow us. So back to what we are here to do. So thank you so much, and I believe this is a very good one. Thank you. Don't forget today is I think non-farm payroll, so we should okay, very important data day. We have unemployment rate and even the Canadian dollar, and also non-farm employment change. So these two are very key important dates for. Yes, yeah, maybe so many things will change after this announcement, because that's what many people are waiting for. Thank you. And that's it for now.